acting as if you already have it. How does this technique work? And how do you bypass that little voice that says, you're lying? Well, today we're going to talk about that. And I'm also going to have a bonus technique at the end of the video that's going to help you to jumpstart and really help you to create powerfully and manifest everything that you want. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I am so excited about this video. I've manifested 2 wonderful things this month using this technique, and it's the technique of acting as if you have it. Oh, it's so wonderful. And so let's actually get down to business and dive right into it. There are 3 ways that you can act as if you have it. So the first one is thinking. You can think as if you already have it, then you will act as if you already have it, and then you can also talk as if you already have it. So talk to other people like you already have it. So the first one is thinking that we're going to go through. Think is first, speak is second, act is third. So the first one is thinking like you already have it. This one is so easy because you just think it. I am a billionaire. Just think that in your mind. I'm a billionaire. I'm a billionaire. And when you think it now, you're like, oh, okay, so I'm a billionaire. And then that enables you to act like a billionaire. So what am I going to buy when I'm a billionaire? I'm going to buy a house. I'm going to buy a car. So I'm a billionaire. And then how you act like you're a billionaire is you go to the dealership and you test drive that Lamborghini. You have that thought that I have money, I have enough money to buy a house. And then you go out with that train of thought and you start looking at condos and considering and think, yes, I can have this. I can totally have this. And picture yourself in there. Picture yourself living there, right? Picture yourself. Now, the most powerful one that I've done is speaking as if I have it, okay? And this one is a little bit tricky because sometimes people feel like they might be lying to other people when they don't quite have it yet, but they're talking as if they have it. So how I got around this was it was the way that I worded it. So let's go with an example. Okay, so I am an international company. I'm a life coach and a law of attraction coach, and I have served clients internationally. I've got clients all around the world, and that's my business. Now, that wasn't always my business. My business did start out locally and just in my area. And what I said as an example would be when I wasn't international yet, I would say at these networking events and stuff, I would say, I am an international company. I can serve clients internationally. Now, my statement was, I can serve clients internationally. So I was saying it as if I had it, but I wasn't lying. It bypassed that critical little thought because for me, saying I have international clients when I didn't felt like a lie. So I didn't want to say that I had international clients, but I was okay with saying I am an international company. I can serve clients internationally. Now, it's only a difference of one word, have and can. That really bypass that. So when you want to talk like you already have it, it's important sometimes in how you word it. At least it is for me to get past it. Okay, so, and the other thing is I really didn't feel like I was lying because it's something that's possible. If it's possible, I can word it in a possibility like I already have it, and I'm going to be happy with it. So really, if you can get by that little step that says, oh, that's just a lie, then you know what? This technique is going to be so incredibly powerful for you. Anyways, yeah, you know what? Right now, everybody just in the comments below, write in the description something that you want, but write it out like you already have it. Just write it there like you already have it. See how it feels. The other thing that's really great to do is get a friend and say to your friend, okay, so today what we're going to do is we're just going to talk like we already have what we want. State that out there, right? Say, hey, guess what, Joe? We're going to talk like we already have it today. And then practice with that person, talking like you already have it. so you can see how it feels, and you get that chance and that opportunity to talk like you already have it. It's very powerful. It's going to change your life. It's changed mine this month. By far, my favorite law of attraction technique is acting as if I already have it. So yeah, that's my video for today. Thank you very much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, all of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So go ahead, talk like you already have it. Happy creating.